Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to create a new admin user for Shop. Log into the backend. Go to Settings and System. Click on Users and Permission. Now click on Create New User. Fill out the basic information form. Click Save. Now click on New Access Key. Check on Right and click on Save Information. Click Save. Log out. Again, log into the backend with new user. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.